of safeguarding goat health, it is crucial to discern the differences between toxoids and antitoxins, as each serves a distinct purpose in disease prevention and treatment. And whenever you are giving your goat a shot or medication of any kind, be sure to be documenting it in your record-keeping system, like my goat binder, which is linked below.
If you've decided to own goats, then you've decided also to become a student of goats, which means that your learning needs to be continual, which is one reason we need to talk about the differences between toxoids and antitoxins for goats. And it's actually very simple. Toxoids prevent a disease long term, while antitoxins help with a problem that already exists. Toxoids, exemplified by vaccines, are given to avert disease long term and to stop any potential disasters happening in the future. Notable vaccines are ones that prevent overeating disease, tetanus, and Pasteurella pneumonia. You can't push, goats. The CD&T vaccine is one example that provides protection against Clostridium perfringens type C and D and tetanus. So it provides both protection against overeating disease and tetanus, both at the same time. I'm not going to go into any more information about the CDT vaccine because I do have a video and information about that on my website. But that is something that, as a goat owner, you need to read that information, understand it, and decide if you will give that vaccine to your goats each year.
Conversely, antitoxins step in when there is a problem that necessitates your immediate action. In emergency medical situations such as suspected overeating disease or rumen-related toxicity, C&D antitoxin proves beneficial. Administered subcutaneously, it boasts a commendable safety profile, allowing for the safe usage without fear of harm to the animal. While no pneumonia antitoxin exists, if your goat herd is struggling with regular bouts of pneumonia, regular vaccination with a pneumonia toxoid is advised, and prescription antibiotics become imperative if you are going to fight this battle with pneumonia and if it develops. So if you are continually battling pneumonia in your goat herd, please look into the root cause. Your goats may be struggling with an overload of parasites or may not have enough minerals out for them, or maybe even it's something like your water source may be just affecting their overall health and well-being. The tetanus antitoxin takes precedence in scenarios like castration or disbudding or injuries, or when tetanus-like symptoms start manifesting. So you need to recognize the symptoms like locked jaw, neck stiffness, unfocused eyes, and just difficulty standing. And those are crucial for that accurate diagnosis. Temporary protection from antitoxins usually lasts between 7 and 14 days. So that post-recovery, if you are vaccinating your goats, you need to resume that 2-vaccination toxoid series. That's imperative, as the benefits of the vaccine are nullified by the antitoxin. We also need to talk about granulomas in goats. So after a vaccine shot, despite the protective benefits, vaccines sometimes may occasionally manifest as injection site granulomas. So a granuloma is a tiny cluster of little white blood cells and other tissue. They form as a reaction to infections, inflammation, irritants, or foreign objects. These nodules actually indicate a very robust immune response, but sometimes they necessitate attention. So after you've ensured a positive vaccine reaction over the next several weeks, if needed, you need to address those granulomas by lancing them, cleaning them, flushing them with some iodine, and you may find that that's prudent to do that. So you need to just decide if that granuloma needs that at that moment. And this, my friend, is why you need to understand the difference between toxoids and antitoxins. It empowers you as a goat owner to make informed decisions, ensuring the well-being of your herd and also preventing anything that might come into your herd. So you need to know what these mean, how to use them, and the differences between them. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy those goats. Hug them for me, and we'll see you in the next video.